Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Register Support. In this video I'm just going to take you through building a project or a page with Visual Composer. So to begin with, if we look at this demo example, you can see a very nice portfolio project. If we look at the back end, you'll see it's just like a regular post, which is absolutely fine. You're more than welcome to use that, that's up to you. But we do also offer the option to use Visual Composer here. So if we look at another example, here you can see the layout is completely different, and that's due to the use of Visual Composer to create this, which we'll go through now. So first of all, if we look at the example in the admin, one thing to point out is if you've imported the demo data especially, you'll notice the code and everything on the page looks a bit strange. It doesn't look like a Visual Composer page normally would. And the reason for that, by default, Visual Composer isn't active on Portfolio or any other post type other than Pages, etc. So to change this, we go to the settings, and under Role Manager, we can select Custom for the post types, and we can assign that to Portfolio and Team if you wish as well. That's entirely up to you. So now once that's done, if we take a look at the example again, you'll see we've got the Visual Composer editor ready to go, and everything here makes a lot more sense. Okay, so to begin with, we're going to create our own project. So I'm going to hit Add New, and I'll call this Dan's Project. And I'm going to start off just by popping in a title, I think, at the top. And below this, I will pop in a slider. In this case, we're going to go for the gallery, and then for the gallery type, we're going to choose the flex slider. And here I'm going to pop in some images. Okay, perfect. And we'll assign it to a particular category and give it a featured image. Lovely, let's publish that and take a look. Okay, so you can see there we've got our title at the top. We can start adding more and more below that, so we will do. One thing I will cover as well, you'll notice at the moment this slider is full width. That's because we've told it to be. We haven't specified any paddings either side or anything. So if you want a nice small slider like the demo, excuse me, what we can do is in the row which contains the image gallery, we can select here to choose to have, say, 3 rows here like this. We can move our gallery into the middle, and then if we update the page, you can see there it's much smaller. And same for the top here. You'll notice if you wanted to add a bit of spacing above the text, we can either add an empty block if we wanted to, or we can wrap this up in a section. Like you can see here. Next up, let's add some more content below. So we'll add another row. And we want it to be nice and thin too, so I will split this up also. And here we can just add any text you wish. And there you go, you can see it appears there. And that's it really. Using Visual Composer is very straightforward, so I hope this video has been useful. If you experiment with it, I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. But if you do have any problems, do come see me over at support and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.